Hello, sir. Now this one is have the Bluetooth function the scanner. So number one is scan this barcode. Number one is number two. Number three. Barcode scanner have this function. So open the Bluetooth setting. Bluetooth. No. Here have the barcode scanner. Okay. Now is test scan. Test scan. Test scan. Okay, this function.